Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to show or hide the Vibrate silent icon on your Android device, either on a Samsung Galaxy phone or perhaps a Google Pixel device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is swipe up on your home screen and then select the setting gear button. And now you want to go and select sound and vibration. And then scroll all the way down the bottom where it says always show icon when in vibrate mode. If you want to always show the icon when in vibrate mode, toggle it to the right. So click inside the oval one time until it's blue. Otherwise, if you want to disable this and you do not want to always show the icon when in vibrate mode, just toggle it off like you see on my screen. And that's all you have to do for the sound and vibration button. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.